Hello, in front of me I've got smartphone with Android 14. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and enter menu. Go to settings, Google Assistant and enter voice match. Enable Hey Google function. Tap agree, more, agree, and next. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes we'll have to retrain the voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Tap next, and let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Enable assistant responses on lock screen and then simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.